Hey everyone. Yeah, so sorry that video got interrupted. So yeah, so this video is specifically for the review of Byju's IAS program that I've been doing, as stated already earlier. So I won't be going like subject wise, I would say, because it would be a rather like a different whole different video. And yeah, I would be providing that as well, like for the history, for the polity, and for the economics that I've been doing with them. So yeah, rather I would be going like a journal approach that we should be doing with this classroom program. So let me tell you one thing that yeah, their program is pretty much like straightforward, I would say, because जैसा कि मतलब मुझे लगा as far as I've been like checking for each and every weekend, because I've also been working currently I am already working as a senior software engineer in one of the reputed MNC. So I won't be having that much of time, so I am like able to somehow manage only weekends. So in weekend what I am doing currently, so basically whenever they are like I have a class, then whatever they are teaching, I am actually making all those notes for whatever they are like teaching. Doesn't matter what the topic is, from where it is. So I am at that point of time only I am trying to like make each and every notes of it. So what this would do, this is basically helping me to retain all those topics and all those subjects in my mind. So as of now, if you would see, if you ask me that see, I have already done all the polity classes, economics classes, history classes, and geography is almost like I am done with. So all these four classes that I'm doing, I'm pretty much sure that whatever the topic I have learned, at least they are in my mind. So why it is so? Because I have been like making notes at that point of time only. So this is the definitely thing that I would like to suggest you guys, if you are taking those classes, and if in future if you guys wanna do take those classes. So first thing like this only, I would be providing rather like whole video for whole subject in my future videos, but as of now this is only. And apart from that yeah, this is basically the as of now my note making progress itself only, because I don't have that much of time, as I already told you, correct? So let me know if I'm going a little bit faster, because I am not alone. Basically this is not a very big house that I'm living in, so I'm at my home as of now. Earlier I was in Mumbai. So yeah, so apart from that I already told you about the what the approach I am following for note making, and I don't know if it will work, but the thing that I told you, that yeah, it is helping me to retain all those topics in my mind. Yep. So it definitely helps, like for me at least. And apart from that, I do have some office hours and office works and all those retro, all those refinement that I had to take for office works only. So yeah, that is definitely a thing we need to consider. And apart from that I have been checking see, there are lots of comments that I have been getting in my earlier videos, that whether we should follow tablet or books that Byju's have been providing, or maybe classroom programs that they are organizing on weekends, or maybe only the tablet. So I would say this initially this was also in my mind. मैं भी मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा confused था कि मैं क्या करूँ. तो after that I was really confused. So मैंने उनके mentor से connect किया. तो mentor actually suggested me to go for the live classes, because it also includes the current affair that is happening around the world maybe. So yeah, I mean this really helps. Means अगर आप online जो उनके classes वगैरह हैं वो आप follow कर रहे हैं, plus आप जो standard books हैं वो आप follow कर रहे हैं. So I don't think you also had to go for tablet. But yeah, the one point that I had to mention is if you wanted to go for tablet, just go only for the doubt clarification, or maybe the topic if you are not able to understand in the live classes, correct? So yeah, that's it. That actually I wanted to tell. So only focus on tablet if you have some kind of issues in understanding the concept. So this is actually I'm not in much in the tablet side, because literally I am just only checking all those lectures that I haven't doubt in, because I don't have much time. But if you guys have time, if you have so much of time, then definitely I would suggest it will definitely gonna help you in covering all those subjects and all those topics. And yeah, and let me know if you guys want anything down below in my comments section, so I would be making those videos as well. If you want specifically on any other side, like topic wise covering and all anything. Yeah. And apart from that, I would actually like to mention that this is it is not easy, because the syllabus is humongous, to be honest, literally. So but I took the risk, and I wish that somehow I would be able to clear at least pre, because I also had to cover my office work, and it is not easy, to be honest. But hope is there, and I would be putting my 100% to somehow clear and make my family proud, and all those things I have been planning for a long time. And I literally uh, there is something that I would be telling you guys in future videos, but there is some specific reason as well. I am going for the IUS after working like 5 years of IT sector, so that would be discussing. But yeah, let me know if you guys need anything, any help from my side. I would be there. Thank you guys. Bye bye, take care.